Okay, just real quick. This is, there's a Chinese curse that says, may you live in interesting times. Like it or not, we live in interesting times. These are indeed times of danger and uncertainty. But these are also times granting the least of us opportunities. And it's so true, by the way. And I guess what this is one such opportunity. So many instructors share their content, not only with their students, but with the world via the internet. And by the way, the world has access to it, at least for the most part. I think there's very few spots in the world that doesn't grant people access to these materials, by the way. I think maybe one exception might be North Korea doesn't let their people watch this stuff. All right, just too much to look at. All right, so I'm going to say that this example, all right, what do I mean by that? If you click on this link over here, you would get an example of an exam. And with this teacher's video solutions, he's a teacher, very talented, from California, teaching the community college system in California. And it's good to look around. I mean, certainly you might say, well, I want to look at what MIT's doing. You could do that too, by the way. They also share information. But anyway, you may want to create your own video. I do. I create my own video, do my own take on it. I mean, I don't really like everything the guy does, by the way, and sometimes he does things that I disagree with. All right, I'm sure I do things that he would say, oh, I don't agree with what he's doing. But the bottom line, I do create my version of the solution. So this is an advantage you have. You can look at what he does and what I do, and you can determine what you like to do. All right. I'm also going to say during when I'm doing the videos, this guy here writes exams that involve calculator use. I do not write exams that involve calculator use. However, I do promote computational algebra, and I would say that you should learn how to use a computer algebra system. So I do talk about computational aids for this exam, and I go through that. All right. On the exam, I just simply say I'm doing it, but you don't see that. But I will post a video of me going through a computational aid to do some of the questions. All right. Thank you.